Hi, this is Amy Blain of Bright Ideas Marketing with digital marketing ideas for your business. In this series of videos, I'll discuss various ways to harness the power of the internet to drive more customers your way with the latest techniques that you may not even be aware of, as well as the essential basics that you may or may not be doing in the most effective way. Speaking of basics, let's start with what I feel is the most basic of all online marketing strategies that can really send more business your way. I'm talking about the Google suite of tools. They're really powerful, and best of all, they're all free. But don't let the price tag fool you. These free tools oftentimes are more effective than any of the newfangled AI tools or social media trends that you may have heard about from other business owners.
The main one is Google Business Profiles, which you may know as Google My Business. The reason this tool is so powerful is that Google controls it, just like they control most of the search traffic online. As of August of 2022, 92% of people doing online searches did it on Google. And of course, Google gives priority in their search results to their own stuff, like Google My Business Profiles or GBPs. If you haven't already claimed your GBP, you really should do that right away. I've been told that only 4% of businesses have claimed their GBPs and are managing it for their company or having a marketing expert manage it for them. It's not difficult, and I even have a free resource for you at the end of this video that will help guide you through it. So how can you bring more leads and sales into your business? Well, for starters, the top 3 listings in the GBP for your keywords will get approximately 54% of all the clicks. So if you're not there, you're probably not going to get much online traffic or phone calls. Because results vary depending upon the searcher's location, if a user searched restaurants near me, the Google 3-pack would display 3 restaurants near the user's current location. The Google 3-pack has undergone a couple of major changes. First, in August of 2015, when the Google 7-pack was cut down to 3, creating the 3-pack. At that time, the update placed more emphasis on links to the brand's business websites. The way information was displayed also changed, making it easier for mobile users to navigate the 3-pack by showing addresses and business hours rather than phone numbers. In December of 2021, the Google 3-pack saw another major update. Google described the update as a rebalancing of its 3 key ranking factors for the 3-pack results: proximity, relevance, and prominence. The rather rapid impacts to results made it clear that the rebalancing was to place greater emphasis on proximity as a factor. The 2021 update also integrated the results with a map. How do you rank locally on Google? Well, you can't optimize specifically for the Google 3-pack because businesses that appear there are location dependent. In other words, the local SEO results change depending upon the searcher's location. But you can optimize your web presence in a way that will increase your chances of appearing in the 3-pack. How do you optimize your web presence to increase that likelihood? Number 1, make sure your Google Business Profile is filled in and up to date. This is the easiest component for you to control and is weighted heavily, about 25% in your ranking potential. Number 2, solicit customer reviews on your Google Business Profile. Receiving multiple positive reviews can be beneficial when it comes to boosting your visibility, both as a ranking factor, prominence, and because Google reviews and stars will be plainly visible to users on the 3-pack. Number 3, make sure your listings throughout the web are accurate and consistent. This includes your business name, address, and phone number, usually referred to as the NAP. Number 4, cultivate local relevant links to boost your visibility. There are a number of ways you can cultivate these links, such as sponsoring local nonprofits and events, or by joining the Chamber of Commerce. Number 5, build standard backlinks to raise your organic rank. Backlinks are best cultivated through outstanding, well-distributed content that attracts readers. Number 6, build a strong presence on social media and other platforms to establish yourself as a Google local listing with loyal followers. And number 7, improve the user experience, the UX, on your website, since Google favors better experiences. Since 2015, for example, Google has rolled out updates asking websites to be more responsive and allow better usability for the mobile experience. Appearing in the 3-pack attracts attention to your brand and encourages people to engage with you. Keep these guidelines in mind when you create your web presence to maximize your chance of appearing on these lists. If you need help with setting up or optimizing your Google Business Profile, let us help. Get our free mini course with step-by-step instructions on setting up your GBP at brightIdeasMarketing.co/free Google Tool mini course. Thanks for watching, and join me for my next video with tips and tricks to help market your business online.